Morning.
Hello and welcome to my brilliant Discover and Do shop.
It's fantastic, Kerry. I love it. I was wondering, do you sell any clothes?
Yes, I do.
Because I need a red jacket. I can't find my favourite one.
Stay there.
Anywhere.
How about this? Will this do?
Oh, yes, that looks just like my red jacket.
Right.
Strange. And also, I can't find my favourite green hat anywhere. Do you have a green hat?
I think this would suit you.
Ah. How much would that be then, Kerry?
That would be $10.50.
This doesn't happen to be my hat and my coat, does it, Kerry?
Yes, it does.
I think it's time for more fun in Show Me, Show Me. Kerry and I are playing a guessing game. Kerry has to guess what I've made using some of these ingredients.
That's right. Now, did you use sugar?
Nope.
That's a shame. Did you use tomato puree?
Yes.
Brilliant. Did you use oats?
No.
Did you use puff pastry?
Yes, I did.
Oh, great. How about cheese and basil?
Yes, that's all the ingredients.
Well, what did you make?
Ta-da!
Wow! Tomato spirals!
And you can make some too by visiting the I Can Cook pages of the CBeebies website.
I am making chunky banana bread off the I Can Cook pages of the CBeebies website.
And I'm helping. What about the raisins?
Oh, Alex, we've already got raisins.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
What about coconut?
Oh no, there's no coconuts in this recipe.
Okay. Ah, Kerry.
This is coming along really well. Yes, Alex?
What about a pumpkin?
No, Alex, we don't have pumpkins in banana bread.
Peanut butter?
No, it's banana bread.
Okay.
This is almost ready to put in the tin now.
What about banana bread?
Oh, Alex.